Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kyle from Growing Up Garden. On today's episode, I'm going to give you guys another update and show you how my potato towers are doing. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you over to the rose fin apple fingerlings, and I just want to say one observation that I've noticed with the potato towers is the fingerling potatoes, they do not like being towered. They definitely don't grow as good, and as you can see, I didn't even add the last board on this box because I don't even think they would have made it. Some of these potatoes have died off. These are probably going to be dead here pretty soon. It's not looking too good for these guys. Hopefully the potatoes are growing underground. Those are the banana fingerlings. One of the plants still remains. It does have some kind of funky leaf, I don't know what you'd call that, fungus or something. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. I'll have to look it up online tonight and see what this thing has. The reason I actually wanted to make this update video is my Kennebec potatoes, which are doing amazing, have something strange has been happening with them. It seems like every day for the last few days I've come out here and I'm getting this. Wilted leaves. So I come over and look at it, and if you see this, so this is connected to that one here, and those are wilted, but look at this. Look at, it's almost like something is chewing through my potatoes and eating them. And I don't know if there's a mouse in there that's doing the damage or bugs. It's definitely not, like, I can't imagine like the cat's getting in here and doing that kind of damage by just sitting on it. Probably a damn mouse. And I don't even see anything down in there. Is there any mice in there, Pepper? You better get them. So that's what's going on with my Kennebec potatoes. Hopefully they make it to the end of the season when they're ready to harvest. I'd hate to go through all this work and have, you know, rodents or bugs ruin my potato tower experiment. But that's part of gardening. You just got to deal with the critters that are around your property. So let's take a look at the, this is the all blue potato. Now this potato actually looks pretty good. It's doing quite well. None of the leaves are wilted. Everything seems to be doing great on this. So I think that's about it for my update. It's kind of, yeah, I'm just bummed out that this has been happening with my potatoes. Yeah, it looks like something's been chewing on it, gnawing on it. It's probably a mouse or something got inside there, and it's definitely doing some damage. So one thing maybe with straw is it leaves space for mice to get in there and make a nest, and then they basically will gnaw on your potatoes. So maybe in the future, if you guys do this experiment, fill them in with some soil, and that might deter the mice from chewing on your potato stalks. It's a real bummer, man. Hopefully they stop chewing on it. I'm actually going to maybe I'll set a trap in here tonight and see if I can catch the culprit red-handed. I just put a live mouse and rat trap in the potato tower right at the top. I'm using an old bean burrito and a little peanut butter on it to entice my little mouse enemy that's eating all my potatoes, or chewing on them at least. Entice them into the trap. Basically all they gotta do is pull on that and it'll snap the door shut, and we'll have ourselves a mouse or a rat. I'm not sure what's in there. I think it's a mouse. because something is definitely chewing on my potatoes. So I've got some bad news on this Kennebec potato tower. I didn't catch any mice or rats last night, but there is definitely a mouse or a rat, because this one this morning looked wilted, and I tugged on it, and look at this. Give you a good shot of it if I can. Teeth marks all over the stalk towards the bottom. So something is gnawing through my potatoes. So it's not looking too good for the Kennebec potatoes. There's always something that has to wreck my potato tower experiments. So hopefully I catch that mouse or rat tonight, because I don't think I can. I don't think they'll last much longer at this rate. So as a last-ditch effort, I'm going to try to use the Rid Bugs 100% organic insecticide and the super clean neem oil mixed with some Salsud soap. I'm going to put that in this 5-gallon bucket with some water. I'm going to use quite a bit of it, and I'm going to dump it down around the potato plants, and hopefully just the smell of it will deter the mice from chewing on the stalks, and maybe they'll even get out of there and go somewhere else so my cats can catch them and kill them, because they have been doing quite the damage on those plants. So I'm going to mix this up and dump it on, and hopefully it works. I'll let you guys know if it worked. So I'm just going to put some of this mixture right down around the potato plants, and hopefully it will coat the plants and deter those critters from wanting to live in this box. Oh, sorry. And I think I'm going to do some in each one just in case. The other potato towers look okay. I haven't seen any damage like I've been getting with this in the last week. It's a real bummer, man. When you go through all this work, this is a lot of work to film these and you know, make the towers, and then this has to happen. But that's part of life. And you're not doing your job, huh? You got to get those guys. Yeah. So hopefully this works, and I will let you guys know what happens.
All right, so you guys are probably wondering what happened to the Kennebec potato tower after I applied the Rid Bugs, neem oil, and Dr. Bronner's Salsud soap. So whatever it was, it did not like that concoction I made, and they stopped chewing on the stalks, and I didn't have any more damage after that, which is great. I didn't actually catch any rodents in my live trap, so I don't know what happened to them. The cats might have caught them shortly after I applied my mixture, so we'll never know exactly what it was. But at least I saved some of the plants, and hopefully we have some potatoes left in the ground for me to harvest when the towers are ready. Alright guys, so that's the end of my update video. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can keep up to date on when I post my latest potato tower videos. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.